Hey guys, welcome back. It's Rebecca with Lake Tawakoni RV Center. Come with me to take a look at our 2024 Forest River Salem View. Model 28. This one's got one massive awning, one slide, a beautiful kitchen island, good sized fridge, 3-burner stovetop. Of course, you've got your microwave here. I love that you can put bars up to this island. Of course, you've got your electric fireplace. Plenty of storage behind that television. And then you've got a sectional sofa. This piece folds out into a sleeper. Get a nice bathroom, medicine cabinet, good size shower. And then we come to the master suite. It's a queen size bed. This one actually is on a tilt. You raise up. You've got storage on both sides. This one is washer dryer prepped. If you guys have any questions with our 2024 Forest River Salem View 28, give us a call or shoot us a text at 903-447-2633. Talk soon.